Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Commissioner of Customs Velma Ricketts-Walker is reporting a reduction in revenues for the first quarter of the year. She was speaking earlier today at a Jamaica Customs Agency Town Hall meeting.
For our early estimates based on the forecast, we observe based on our analysis that at least 30%, we will be at least about 30% below, and that would be mainly be impacted within the first quarter, April to about June, right? And so I think maybe we're expecting to see some recovery before that.
Meanwhile, President of the Customs Brokers and Freight Forwarders Association of Jamaica, Mitzi Gordon-Burke-Green, that's Mitzi Gordon-Burke-Green, says the fallout in cargo arrivals has been minimal. Shipments continue to arrive from the United States and United Kingdom, while imports from China are rebounding.
We're actually having cargo now coming out of Wuhan. Wuhan being the area where all of this started. Cargo is coming out, and cargo is coming out of Wuhan. So you know that from there we are recovering. Obviously what is happening with the rest of the world is yet to be seen. But as it relates to China, we are getting our cargo in.
Come tomorrow, the price for 87 gasoline will remain unchanged. 90 gasoline, on the other hand, will go up by 2 cents. Automotive diesel is down $3.06 and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $2.95. Kerosene and propane will each go up by 1 cent. Butane will cost 5 cents more. And oil prices settled lower today. Oil for delivery in May lost 6 cents to close at $26.23 a barrel. Minister without portfolio with responsibility for agriculture J.C. Hutchinson says the government is trying to find ways to bring farmers' markets to residents. Speaking at Tradewinds Citrus, where excess tomatoes are now being processed into juices, he said locations are being identified to house food markets.
These food marts are going to be in areas where we have large concentration of persons, where they can come and buy the food within their own communities, where you can walk and purchase these produce instead of going to the markets where you have a large concentration of people gathering, where they are not observing social distance.
He says the food marts should be up and running within another week.
Anywhere where you have empty building, it can be one where community center is, one where you might have a shop that is now closed and you want to open it as a food mart.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $138.94. The Canadian dollar, $99.21. The pound sterling is going for $169.90, while the euro is being sold for $151.75. The Bank of Jamaica sold $20 million to authorized dealers and cambios today. The BOJ says it is not restricting the price at which BFIXIT participants resell the funds. For this round of intervention, however, resale recipients are limited to end users as defined by bank. That is, non-financial commercial client entities that are funding obligation for goods and services acquired. To the stock market now, the JSE Index gained 4,975 points today, while the Junior Market Index is up by 3 points. Among the winners, Caribbean Cream, T-Tech, KLE Group, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, and 138 Student Living. On the losing side were Derrimont Trading 2021 preference shares, General Accident Insurance Company, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Indus Pharma, and Eplic Caribbean Property Fund SCC. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.